And the way I try and approach it is what does every cluster need when it gets provisioned? Whether it's going to dev, staging, UAT, production, at an edge site, at a public cloud, it doesn't matter. Like, what does every cluster need? And security is a big ball of wax. So this could be logging. This could be, if you think about your larger observability strategy, you have logging, you have monitoring, you have metrics, distributed tracing. All that has to be timestamp bound. But just thinking about the larger picture, DR, in my opinion, also falls under security. So how do you layer all the configuration details?
Yeah, and back to the state of Kubernetes slide at the beginning, right? This one security question is of top concern of most of our survey respondents, right? So seems like kind of an easy problem to solve until you actually get into like the Kubernetes ecosystem and realize like what it takes to roll your own solution and kind of manage this yourself. So